want to go down there for Christmas and maybe do a ride on Christmas Day?
And take a break from this?
Depends on how much you get done.
There's a time for planning, a time for mending, and a time to roll. At this time of the year, the primary focus is on the first two, trying to balance fun with some necessary work. Going to Alaska was the dream for this year, but things change and you adjust. Can we find the adventure we crave this year on the East Coast? Or is adventure something you build, not chase? Maybe it's built through setbacks, compromises, and the moments when the plan starts to fall apart. Guess we'll see.
We had the ceiling fan replaced because it was wobbling.
But now it doesn't work at all.
Exactly. Now it doesn't work at all. I came out to check it. Not only does it not work at all, and I love Airstreams, but I do not like their fans that they put in here. Because the most important time to use this fan is when it's drizzling like it is outside today, right? To cut down on condensation or when you're cooking. And you get a little bit of a drizzle, and this fan is useless, right? It's got moisture sensors on it, and it closes. So immediately, you almost need, or would be really nice to have, is either the cover,
Which is really big and
big and ugly, I agree, or now they have the Maxx Fan, which is lower profile.
lower profile, and we can use it as a ceiling fan even if the cover is closed to circulate air in here, which I think is really nice.
Absolutely.
It's got the thermostat in it and everything. I'm excited.
Yeah.
DC to DC.
And we wish we would have had it last year.
Yeah.
Um,
And that's something else you're going to do, you and Bryce.
we are.
Well, I think we were both kind of feeling like, East Coast, and then it's like, oh, Nova Scotia, oh, Newfoundland. And then we quickly got excited after seeing some pictures. And
Yeah. For me, it was definitely when we saw the photos of Gros
Gros
Morne.
Morne, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I was just like, oh my gosh, I don't think I ever really made that connection that was on the East Coast. It looked amazing. I'm excited now for the trip, for sure.
We got lots of fun things planned. I think it's going to be a pretty memorable one.
Yeah, we do.
Tidal war rafting and iceberg tours, puffins, whales. I think I'm missing something.
Coastal backpacking.
Backpacking, yeah.
Yeah, and then we have the, which I'm looking forward to, right? That remote Trans-Labrador.
Yeah.
You know, back to Quebec for a couple of weeks of epic mountain biking. Yeah. So it should be a pretty awesome summer. The only thing is, of what we're finding, we're already behind.
We knew that. We got busy with house repairs and we just dropped the ball. I think part of it too was like in our heads, because we were East Coast. I don't know. We just thought, like we have this, we got this. We're somewhat local.
No.
I don't know, but we did drop the ball. Yeah, we've already been. Almost didn't get the ferry. Well, we didn't get the long ferry.
No, we didn't.
Right. We wanted to take the long ferry ride.
into
We got
St.
locked out of
John's.
that. And we're on the night ferry, so we couldn't catch the daytime ferry. But we're going, and we don't have any seats or a room.
Yeah, no rooms, no niceties. We'll be sleeping on the floor in the middle of the night because the only ferry that was available for our trip leaves at like 11:30 at night.
Yeah.
So that should be fun. But you're right. I completely agree. We usually do these big, across the country kind of trips, and we have to plan sort of everything in detail. We can't really go with the flow because we're trying to balance remote work, and so there's certain places that I need to be working. We have to have certain hookups and all that. But it seems like, this is January. Can you believe it? And we're just squeaking in with our reservations and able to get what we want, which still blows my mind.
Yeah.
You almost need to start doing all this planning around Thanksgiving, and if you're doing it
We know
right
that,
now,
though. We
I
just
know.
got busy.
I know we got busy.
You can send me up there.
I might do that. So,
Help you out.
yeah. I'll send you up top, and then I'll crawl under the truck and
There you go.
route that DC to
That
DC,
sounds like a
and
plan.
we can get
Yeah.
it done.
We'll get it done.
All right.
What's been interesting is some of the places that we've booked in Nova Scotia and Newfoundland. Small campgrounds, private owned campgrounds, and they don't allow you to book it online. It's like you send an email or you have to call, but I'm like, oh, I'm so used to printing something and having this confirmation, like, this is where we're going. Done, check. And they're like, oh, you can, this phone
We'll
call
see
is your
ya.
confirmation. I'm like, really? Really? Are you going to remember me? And I'm like, can you text me something? Like, just anything to know that I have a spot. So that's been interesting.
Yeah, for sure. Oddly, I do trust them.
Yeah.
I trust that we'll have a spot when we show up, and
We'll see.
they're tracking it and they've got it. So,
I'm
rookies.
hoping to see some icebergs and some puffins and some whales. And then on the back end of the trip, up my biking skills.
Yeah, we have a lot of great